Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the copy of your PDF in an editor that supports links. This prevents accidental data loss. Once the file is open, navigate to the page and select the text or area where you want the link. Make sure to zoom in for precise selection and use the editor's link or tool menu to begin creating a hotspot. You do this now because accurate selection determines clickability and user experience. Precise areas reduce accidental misclicks later. Next, create the link rectangle and configure its properties. You draw a box around the target and then choose Link Action, open a URL, jump to a page, or open a file. Once drawn, enter the full destination address or page number. Include https:// for external links so they open reliably. Make sure to set appearance options such as visible border or invisible link depending on design. Finally, test the link in view mode so you confirm both target and action behave as intended. To finish, save your updated PDF with a clear file name and then test every link. You should open the file in different viewers and on mobile to ensure compatibility. If a link fails, verify the URL format, ensure external sites allow embedding, and check relative file paths when linking local files. Also confirm security settings don't block actions. If problems persist, recreate the link rectangle and re-enter the destination. Often a fresh link fixes invisible formatting or.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.